appreciate everyone in my Telegram groups, the free signals group and the VIP group. Shout out to everybody in YouTube. Appreciate you watching my content. I'm trying to provide as much value as I can to everybody so you could be able to learn more about trading, learn how I trade, and you can have a more clear mindset on what to see in the charts in this upcoming week. Today is August the 28th. It's 9:53 in the morning. I did wake up a little late, so I'm not actually trading today because I don't really see anything. It's kind of slow, consolidating movements. So let's get right to it. All right. So I'm at my house right now. I'm in my big monitor so we could see more real estate. So this is gold right now. This is daily, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna mark it up. Fresh new chart. We're gonna use our lines. We're gonna find support and resistance. All right, guys. Pretty easy. As you've seen in my previous videos, you're gonna see clear support and resistance. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it's gonna help us know where we are in the markets. All right. Even though we're just going to look at price action, but I like to mark up my charts to have a clear view of what's going on in the charts. All right, so we're going to do the daily support and resistance. You're going to spread them out a little bit. All right, we're going to go down. As we can see, daily is still, you know, we're on an uptrend here. Alright, we're going to go down to the 4 hour. We're going to right click, reset. We're going to zoom out. We're going to use the line again, but in this case we're going to use orange. Okay, black is for daily, orange is for 4 hour. We're going to look for another support and resistance area zone. Alright, and then you always use the run on, so we always look left. Alright, I think that's pretty good. Now we're gonna go down to the hour and look at the way it's moving on the hourly. So it's going up, and then trend started to change a little bit. Alright, so on the hourly, we're going to right click, we're going to zoom in. Look at this, guys, what I was saying last week. Look at that price action. Pretty impressive, right? Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to mark a little box right here. Lower this up a little bit down here. And I'd like to put the boxes on the bodies. I'm looking at right here, but I'll go all the way to the left to draw the box. Alright, I'm gonna draw one up here. Okay, and we're gonna draw one down here. We're looking at this, but I'm gonna draw it all the way over here to the left. Alright, see, we're looking at this, but I drew it all the way over here. I like it that way. Alright, sometimes I can occasionally lose some trend lines. As you can see here on the trend lines, I do it right on top of the wicks. Okay, to be able to see what the hell I'm looking at. Alright, hourly wicks, hourly trend lines. So I mean, in the trend lines, it has to hit at least 2 times to be able to make it valid. In this case, you see up here, 1, it hit 1, it hit 2, it hit 3. So in this case, it hit 3 times. And then here on this trend line, 1, it hit twice, it hit 3. Let me just put it up a little bit. 3 times. So for me, if it hits more than 2 times, it's like a valid trend line. I would do trend lines on minimum on the hourly, 4 hour, hourly and up. All right, so here we're going on a little downtrend, right? And then trend changed, you know, once we broke up here. Now we're going on a little uptrend here. So we're gonna do a little box. And I'm looking at the price action that's happening here. So I'm gonna put a little box up here. Okay. So far we're breaking upwards. Price could hit 1921.76. I mean, I would only sell if price breaks this area right here, these lows. If price breaks these lows, we could potentially go down all the way to 1907 around there. So I'm gonna place a an alert right here. Okay, I'm gonna place the alert here, 1913.66. so if it does cross that price, I'm gonna be looking for gold sells. So gold, and then if price breaks, I'm only gonna buy if price breaks these highs. Okay, so I'm gonna put another alert right up here, 1922.61 gold buys. All right, so yeah guys, that's pretty much it for my gold breakdown. Pretty easy, as you can see here. It's always good to be organized when you mark up these charts. Okay, so gold buys only if price breaks 1922.61, and because if it breaks, let me just put some arrows here. Okay, shit, what the fuck? Oh, yeah. All right, and then the sells if price breaks. Yep, it could go like this. So that's my markup on gold. Today is Monday, so let's see how it plays out in the next couple of days. All right, so now we're gonna go on GJ. So we're gonna reset the chart. We're gonna go to daily, remove all drawings, and we're gonna do the same thing. All right guys, we're gonna do our markup on GJ again. We're gonna look for the daily support and resistance. That's gonna be a black line. Spread them out around the chart. Okay, as you can see here, touched. That's what I'm looking for, support and resistance. All right, let's do another one right here, and it has to be like the clean ones. Okay guys, doesn't have to be perfect, but ones that you see that have been hitting zones where price consolidates, you know, where it hits. In this case, it hit here, here, and then a bunch of consolidation over here. All right, let's look for more. All right, that's pretty cool. I see a clear trend. I'm gonna do it right here as well, just to keep it organized and like looking pretty. Like Q Bank says, sexy charts, sexy charts. All right. All right, we're gonna go down to the 4 hour. We're gonna do the same thing. All right guys. All right. All right, we're gonna use the orange line. Okay. All right, we're gonna go to the hourly, and we're gonna right click, we're gonna zoom in and see the price action that's happening now. All right, so we're gonna use the boxes. We're looking over here, but like I said millions of times, I use run on boxes, so I do it all the way to the left. All right, here we go. Looking at this one, so we're gonna put one right up here as well. These are marking up the zones, guys. It's really important in my opinion, and we're not using some crazy ass indicators. This is just, you know, support and resistance to organize yourself, to not get lost. All right, so we did that. As you can see here, look how pretty, look how you could understand the charts a little bit more. Right click, we're gonna zoom in, and this is what's happening now. Okay, all right, so clean buys I see over, you know, 184.773 clean, because look at this clean traffic. If price breaks these little highs, we're gonna go straight all the way up here, guys. Like, that's clear as day, man. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put up an alert right here, crossing up, GJ buys. That's it. You know, that's at, I put an alert at 184.773. all right, and for sells, I mean, sells, I'm not really so fond about sells. I mean, if we break 184.035, but clear sells for me would be all the way down here. Okay, so I'm gonna put an alert. We only want quality setups, guys. Quality setups. All right, so crossing down, GJ sells. All right, so let me just put what I see here. If price breaks up here, this could happen, or it could just go fucking straight up. You know, with volume. I don't think it's gonna go straight up because you know, there's not a lot of volume today, to be honest. Price could go like this. Let me put a little box right here because this looks a little interesting in this zone right here. Yeah, price could go like this. Alright, so that's what I'm seeing for GJ. I think there's a higher probability for buys because, you know, go up to a higher time frame. We're on an uptrend. You know, we're on an uptrend. It broke structure right here, so it didn't, you know, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. I mean, hey, it's a game of probabilities. So let's see if price breaks the 1984 range. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for my gold and GJ breakdown. It's August 28th. It's 10:07 in the morning. So I do appreciate everybody, and hope this helped you. Take care. Hit me up on Telegram. Join my free signals group. The links are in the description below. And if you want to have signals every day and want more breakdowns like this for you, please decide to join my signals group. The you know, the sale is going on until the 31st of August, so don't miss out on that sale. All right, it's basically 99 bucks for the 3 months of breakdowns just like this, and 4 signals every day, basically from Monday to Friday if I see a clean setup. All right, so peace, and let's get this money.